Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. Welcome to the class of Social Science. Today we are going to continue with our chapter number 13, that is the Earth in the Solar System. I hope you have read the chapter at home yesterday. As we have all heard about the planets, the word planet is derived from the Greek word which means wanderers. Do you know why planets are known as wanderers? Because they keep on revolving around the sun on the fixed path. This fixed path is known as orbit. All these planets are spherical in shape, but they are different in their sizes. As we have studied, star produces their own heat and light, but planets do not. These planets reflect the light of the sun. The side of the planet facing the sun is bright, whereas the side which is not facing the sun is dark. Students, now we will have a look over the solar family. There are 8 planets in the solar system, and they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Students, do you know that earlier there were 9 planets, but later on Pluto was considered as a dwarf planet and is now not a part of the solar system. So, at present there are total number of 8 planets in the solar system. Let's get familiar with the solar system family. So, our first planet of the solar system is Mercury. It is the smallest planet of the solar system. The second planet of the solar system is Venus. It is the hottest planet of the solar system. Though it is not near to the sun, but it is the hottest planet of the solar system because its atmosphere traps the more heat of the sun. Our third planet is the Earth. As you all know, Earth is a unique planet as it has life on it. It is also known as a blue planet. Our fourth planet is Mars. Mars is also known as the red planet. Our fifth planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest and the biggest planet of the solar system. Our sixth planet is Saturn. It is also known as a ringed planet as the dust particles creates ring around the planet. Our seventh planet is Uranus. Our eighth planet is Neptune. It is the farthest planet of the solar system from the sun, and it is also the coldest planet of the solar system. Our next topic is asteroids. Between Mars and Jupiter, there is a narrow belt of rocks and dust particles. These small rocky bodies are asteroids. Students, scientists assume that there was a planet which is broken into small pieces, and these rocks are known as asteroids. Now, meteoroids. Meteoroids are the rock materials which revolve around the sun individually. Sometimes they fall on the earth. We call them shooting stars, as they reflect the light of the sun. Our next topic is comets. Comets are the ball of dust, ice particle and frozen gases that revolve around the sun. One of the most famous comet known as Halley comet. Students, now let's know about the satellites. Satellites are the celestial bodies that revolve around the planets. Satellites do not have their own heat and light, but they reflect the light from the sun. Now let's know about the moon. Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Students, the earth has one natural satellite and that is moon. Do you know why there is no life on the moon? The moon has no air and water on it. The diameter of the moon is 1/4 of that of the earth. The moon takes about 28 days to revolve around the earth and the same time to rotate on its axis too. Students, let's move towards the last topic of our today's class, that is the phases of the moon. Do you know what does this term means? This term refers to the different shape of the moon we see at night. Students, as we have noticed in the sky that the shape of the moon always differs. Do you know why this is so? Let me tell you. As we know that the moon is the only natural satellite of the earth, so it revolves around the earth. It takes about 20 days to go around the earth. The shape of the moon grows in one of the half period and in the other half period it goes on decreasing. So you can see here, after new moon comes the waxing crescent, first quarter, then waxing gibbous, then the full moon. In this half of the journey, the shape of the moon is increasing, which is known as waxing period. After full moon, the shape of the moon starts decreasing, which is known as waning period. I hope you understand the phases of the moon. Thank you.